Okay, you're grinding, you're putting in the hours. Your videos look great, but those high-paying premium clients, they're nowhere to be found. Why? Because you're making one critical mistake that's keeping you stuck with low-budget jobs. Fix this, and you'll start landing bigger clients faster than you think. First, if you're serious about leveling up and landing clients who actually pay what you're worth, hit that button, subscribe, and drop a comment. What's the biggest challenge keeping you from premium clients? Let's talk about it. Most videographers pitch themselves completely wrong. They think they're offering video services, but clients don't pay for videos, they pay for impact. If your pitch sounds like, I shoot and edit high-quality videos in 4K, you're blending in with every other videographer out there. Guess what? Clients don't care about 4K, they care about results. High-paying clients aren't looking for a video guy, they're looking for a storyteller who drives engagement and sales. If you can't explain how your work helps them achieve that, they won't see the value in paying you premium rates. So how do you position yourself for bigger clients? Here's the 3-step formula to fix your pitch and attract high-value projects. Are you ready? Number 1, speak their language, not yours. Instead of, I make great videos, say, I help brands create content that turns viewers into buyers. Talk about the problem you solve, not the technical details. Number 2, curate your portfolio to attract the right clients. If you want high-paying brand clients, your portfolio can't just be a bunch of weddings or random event videos. Only showcase work that aligns with the type of clients you want to attract. Number 3, sell the story, not the service. High-end brands don't need just a video. They need a strategic message that resonates. Position yourself as a brand storyteller, not just a camera operator. Look, premium clients don't care how many years of experience you have or how many cameras you own. They care about the results. And if you don't have a clear strategy behind your work, you'll always struggle to land the best clients. The good news? You don't need a bigger budget or fancier gear to fix this. What you need is a system, a roadmap that teaches you how to craft stories that connect, convert, and keep clients coming back. If you want to go deeper, I put together a free training where I break down the exact storytelling framework high-paying clients look for. 100% free. You can watch it right now. The link is in the description. You ready for the takeaway? The key to unlocking bigger clients? It's not about working harder, it's about positioning yourself smarter. Too many creatives assume that improving their technical skills will automatically attract higher paying clients. But that's not how it works. Better clients don't just want quality, they want confident strategy and storytelling that drives results. Thanks for watching.